According to Lian Yubo, Executive Vice President of BYD, the Chinese producer of electric vehicles is working on providing electric car batteries to Tesla, the leading electric vehicle manufacturer in the United States, very soon. According to him, BYD and Tesla have become excellent friends, and as a result, the two businesses are mulling over the possibility of working together in the future. How will this partnership benefit the two companies, and how will it affect other automakers? Welcome to the Tesla News Hangout. Today, we will look at the Tesla and BYD partnership and how it will change everything. So stay tuned as we look into this. BYD is a firm that specializes in producing batteries for electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles. It has been focusing on expanding its business to sell batteries to many automakers, including Toyota. It has been one of the most successful automobile producers due to a very different strategy from most others. This strategy involves the company internalizing most of the value chain operations without collaborating with other global automotive brands and focusing on locational advantages rather than adopting advanced Western technology. Design and optimization are basic capabilities for BYD, which has resulted in the swift transformation of the firm from a company that produced batteries to one that produces automobiles. BYD is the first company to go through this transition. It is doing so with all of its research and development resources focused on electric cars and the diversification of battery types. Compared to GM and Toyota, BYD started selling their plug-in hybrid electric car, the F3DM, in December 2008, which was more than a year before they did. The F3DM can go up to 100 kilometers on a single charge of its battery and reach a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour when driven by the 1.0-liter gasoline engine from BYD. In 2020, the Chinese automaker introduced a new form of lithium iron phosphate (LFP) battery that was less cumbersome and which the company thinks to be more secure than other types of batteries now available for purchase. When Tesla's factory in Shanghai started producing automobiles, the sole supplier of batteries that Tesla had access to is a Chinese battery business called CATL. However, most Tesla vehicles manufactured in the first few months of this year were powered by LFP batteries, a more budget-friendly alternative to the CATL batteries. BYD, which is now financed by Warren Buffett, has formed partnerships with various EV charging networks worldwide for its customers' benefit. As a consequence of BYD agreement with different EV charging networks, it will be possible for BYD consumers to use thousands of different charging stations located across the world. As Tesla is the giant it is, you can imagine a future in which Teslas are employed for every kind of terrestrial transportation, from passenger vehicles to buses and trucks. It is this future that BYD is very interested in. Tesla now offers solar panels and other types of batteries to their consumers seamlessly. This objective was eloquently shown by Tesla's statement that it will make an offer to buy Solar City. If Tesla provided customers with sustainable energy solutions that were vertically integrated from beginning to end, it would be the first company in the world to do so. Tesla is trying out a new supplier for its normal range vehicles, and the firm is also trying to cut costs for the very first time that will serve as its entry-level offering. According to reports from January, the speculated new model that is now referred to as the Model 2 is now being developed in China at a cost estimated to range from $19,000 to $25,000. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, stated in 2020 that the firm's entry-level model would be accessible in 3 years. By utilizing the new Blade battery, the Shanghai Tesla Super Factory will also increase its ability to produce the Model 3, Model Y, and related derivative goods, according to the environmental assessment study. The current state of Tesla's next car's research and development is very confidential, and all information regarding the Model 2's launch date and the specific price is conjecture. Musk announced in Tesla's second quarterly report published in August 2021 that the business will gradually switch to a lithium iron phosphate battery design in the future. Due to its ownership of a power battery factory in the United States, BYD had a clear edge. The partnership between Tesla and BYD will benefit both companies since it will increase BYD battery supply and boost Tesla's competitiveness. The growth of Tesla is aided by the fact that lithium iron phosphate batteries are less expensive and risky than ternary batteries. One of the most significant problems preventing the expansion of the EV industry is the combustion and explosion of lithium-ion batteries. Electric vehicles made by Tesla, Hyundai, General Motors, and NIO Inc. have all caught fire due to overheating batteries. If EV batteries cannot be made safer, battery fire risk will increase as EV use increases. Hyundai recently announced that it recalled 82,000 electric cars to repair battery packs that were thought to catch fire. According to Hyundai, the cost of recalling the battery packs was above $90 million. LFP is more stable battery chemistry, even at temperatures as high as 500 degrees Celsius. The LFP battery offers a higher energy density and is safer than other batteries employing this technology. A further release by BYD suggested that the battery would last for 1.2 million miles or 3,000 charging cycles before it would require replacement. It has been shown that the batteries installed in older BYD 2.6 taxis may function for up to 12 years. Many vehicles still in operation have traveled over 500,000 kilometers with their original batteries installed. Although they only have a slight advantage in the market, that advantage is growing with each new purchase. This battery can keep its shape when it is being charged, discharged, heated, or cooled is one of the most significant advantages of this battery. As a direct consequence, the BYD batteries do not need a battery cooling system. The BYD Blade battery has successfully completed the industry's infamous Everest test, which involves being poked by a nail to ensure it won't burn and show how durable it is. Additionally, the Blade battery passed a particularly tough test in which a 46-ton heavy truck rolled over it. The battery passed the test with no leaks, dents, or smoke. According to BYD, the Blade battery pack was in excellent shape and ready for use. The Blade battery, according to BYD, is the first EV battery in the world to successfully complete these tests. However, the statements that BYD made regarding the energy density of their batteries were never backed up by any accurate figures. The BYD batteries can deliver up to 166 Wh of power per kilogram, which is how they got to be popular. The cells are 905 mm in length, 118 mm in height, and 13.5 mm in thickness. Rumors were going around that BYD was discussing with Hyundai about supplying the LFP cells for the automobiles that Hyundai planned to sell in the Chinese market. However, this was never confirmed. Compared to its rivals, Tesla has already realized the benefits of BYD batteries in its manufacturing. Estimation shows that the yearly sales growth rate will increase by 60%. When comparing BYD and Tesla head-to-head, it appears that BYD has made greater progress and is expanding quicker in virtually every significant dimension. Unfortunately, there is still some doubt over Tesla's ability to fulfill its promises. BYD has 16,000 more people working in research and development than Tesla, which demonstrates the capacity of the corporation to concentrate on particular technologies. Musk's strong insights about the transformative power of electric automobiles, solar photovoltaics, and battery storage, as well as the cost advantages possessed by these technologies, are now working more in favor of BYD than Tesla. Elon Musk is playing catch-up in a game he thought he had created. BYD has 26 years of expertise in battery research and development. According to BYD, it is currently boosting the number of Blade batteries it can produce. Several of the leading companies in the auto industry are starting to rely on this ultra-safe battery technology. If Tesla's new vehicle costs below $25,000, it will be forced to fight with other brands that target markets of under $100,000. And it will pose a serious threat to both new car-building forces and traditional auto companies. After Tesla entered the battery supply chain agreement, the capacity of power batteries significantly improved, and it is anticipated that further innovation will come with time. With the help of this Blade battery, Tesla, a company that has moved the winds and clouds of the new energy automobile and power battery sectors, may do it again. Tesla may wind up monopolizing the market with its new battery despite the intense competition in the EV industry. Do you concur? That's all from this video. What are your opinions on the possibility of working together? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tesla News Hangout, where we talk about Elon Musk, Tesla, and SpaceX. While you're at it, hit the bell so you never miss any of our videos, as more exciting ones like this are on the way. I'll see you at the next one.